So every year around this time, I like to purchase something that I think is going to enhance the quality of the videos I produce here on my YouTube channel. Last year, I upgraded my editing software to Final Cut Pro. I bought a bunch of color LUTs and transitions, and this year was no exception. I purchased what everybody else on YouTube also purchased, the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing, talk about all the pieces that you get, but more importantly, we're going to go out and fly it. And we're going to take the raw footage and see if I can have it match the style of the videos I currently use, make it more cinematic. So stick around. So guys, welcome back to my channel, Bangin Gears. My name's Frank, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. But let's dive right into the Mavic Mini. So when you unbox it, you immediately get the drone, which is 249 grams, 1 gram shy of the FAA limit. Now, we're not going to talk about any of that stuff. There's tons of videos out there for you to research and watch about drone laws and FAA and registration and your license and hobbyist and professional and all that stuff. Not this channel. We're not going to deal with any of that stuff. Not what this video is about. Okay, so we're just going to talk about what you get in the box, and then we're going to go out and fly the damn thing. So it comes with the drone itself, some props, the screwdriver to put the props on, the controller, batteries, and the battery pack. Comes with the connectors between the controller and your cell phone, and then it comes with the power plug with the USB port on the back and all the wires you need to charge everything. The wires are not here. I didn't think you needed to see the wires. Have you ever purchased anything that didn't come with wires that you needed to charge with? No. If you did, leave me a note in the comments. But I didn't think you needed to see them. But trust me, it comes with everything you need to charge and to fly. It even comes with this really cool carrying case. So that's everything you get in the Fly More combo pack. But more importantly, let's go fly. We'll take the car, we'll go to my favorite parking spot, we'll use the car as the model, we'll fly around it, we'll take all sorts of footage, we'll test out all the features, and then we'll bring it back here and we'll see if we can manipulate the footage to match the style of shooting that I currently use. Make it more cinematic. So let's go fly. So just a reminder, all the footage you're going to see in this sequence has been taken straight from the drone. It is raw. It has been no color correcting, color grading, or any manipulation of any kind. The first thing I wanted to do was get the drone up in the air as high as I possibly could and really get familiar with the joysticks. I know that some of the footage that I want is going to require using both joysticks at the same time to get a good sweeping motion across the vehicles. It's going to definitely take some practice on my part. I had a tendency to use one joystick at a time, turning it, going forward, stopping, turning it, going to the right, stopping it, going forward again. So I have to learn how to use both joysticks at the same time and get that swooping, flying bird motion that I really think is going to be essential for my videos. But once I got the car into place, I wanted to do some sweeping motions across the bow and really see how close I could get to the car without hitting it. And these things do not stop on a dime, not at all. So then I started doing my overhead shots to really see how it would look. And this is probably the most dramatic shot you can get with a drone, are the overhead shots. It just makes the world look really small. But I tried to shoot the car from every angle as I possibly could, trying to get as close as I possibly could to give those dramatic effects. I never hit the car, but I came close a couple of times. This is the other thing, is I have to remember where my shadows are and try to keep the drones out of the shot, the shadow of the drone out of the actual shot. But here I am trying to play with both joysticks at the same time, coming down and turning the camera, trying to get those dramatic shots. Here I started playing with the quick shots, which are preset flight patterns built into the drone itself. I didn't realize you could set the distance from the target, and I wasn't paying attention, and I came really close to hitting a car. I just wasn't paying attention. So once I figured out that you can change the distance, I really tried to keep the car in the middle with these quick shots, which is hard to do. As you do the corkscrew, which is what we're doing here, is as it's circling and getting higher, you could see it doesn't keep the car in the center. But you can fix that in the editing process. This next quick shot is what they call the droney. It's when it flies up and away from the target. You see this in a ton of YouTube videos. It's a very popular shot. So with each battery lasting approximately 30 minutes, after an hour and a half, and covering the car from every angle, I was done and ready to call it a night. So now that we have the raw footage, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the editing magic on it and see if I can get it to match my style of filmmaking that I use with my other cameras. And I think I can. I think the quality of the video that comes out of the drone is high enough to where with a slight manipulation, I can really get it to look film-worthy. So I'm going to take some footage that you've already seen, work it up a little bit, and put together a musical montage, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And that's going to be it for this episode. So sit back, relax, enjoy the montage, have a happy new year, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin' Gears.